Attribution science helps us measure how much climate change influences our weather. Using computer models and real-world data, scientists compare the carbon-polluted world that we live in today to a cooler world without that pollution. Essentially, what our climate would have been if we hadn't been trapping extra heat in the atmosphere from burning fossil fuels. By comparing these two worlds, scientists can determine how much more likely or intense an extreme weather event has become due to human-caused climate change. Grounded in decades of peer-reviewed research, attribution science helps us answer important questions about the role of climate change in extreme weather around the world. Some events show climate change's fingerprints more clearly than others. For temperature-related events, like dangerous heat waves, scientists can almost always identify the influence of climate change, and with high confidence. But making that connection with droughts and severe weather, like thunderstorms or tornadoes, is more complex. As the science continues to advance and our ability to measure weather data grows, we'll be able to identify the fingerprints of climate change on more and more types of weather. So here's why this matters. Most people in the US, more than 70%, know that global warming is happening, but less than half of them think that it can or will harm them personally. But for many, it already has. We're experiencing heat waves, hurricanes, floods, and other unnatural disasters that have been made worse by the burning of coal, oil, and gas. With this knowledge, we can make informed decisions now to create a safer, more resilient place for our kids, ourselves, and the world that we call home.